Welcome to this basic configuration guide for Kamei's BK Industrial Automation for sliding gates. Open the release door with the tri-lobed key and unscrew the screw to remove the control board cover. Close the release door again to clear the E8 error message, which indicates that the release door is open. The first parameter to set is the opening direction, using function F54. Select 0 for gate opening to the left, or 1 for gate opening to the right. To program a transmitter, the AF card must be installed inside the control panel. Select function U1. Choose the function you want to assign to the user, 1 for step-by-step, 2 for sequential, 3 for open, and 4 for partial opening. Then press enter to confirm. The display will show the user number associated with the transmitter button you want to store. Press the button you want to store. Then wait for the confirmation message. This automation can store up to 250 users. To configure safety devices, such as a pair of photocells, they must first be connected to terminals 2 and CX. Then enable them using function F2. Choose the function you want to assign, C1 for reopening during closing, C2 for reclosing during opening, C3 for partial stop, only with automatic closing enabled, or C4 for obstacle wait. In our case, select C1 and press enter to confirm. If you want to use another pair of photocells, repeat the procedure by connecting the devices to terminals 2 and CY, and select function F3. If you want to check that the photocells connected to the selected inputs are operating correctly, after each opening and closing command, then the TS terminal must be connected. Below you can see 2 examples. To enable the safety devices test, the F5 function must be enabled. Access to the function, and choose the safety inputs that are connected to TS terminal. To set the automatic closing time, select function F19. Then set the number of seconds before automatic closing starts. To control the gate with a push button, you can use terminals 1, 3, 3P, 4, and 7. Select function F7 to set input 7 for step-by-step or sequential operation. There are many other options and functions in the manual, which you can consult at docs.kamei.com. We hope this has been helpful, and thank you for choosing Kamei for your automatic gate.